All right, now we're roasting the hog in the CoonAss Microwave.
And this thing is made out of plywood and just a metal insulation wrap or whatever it is, huh?
Sheet metal inside with a little layer of insulation between the plywood and the metal.
All right. And we got Big Bird here from Missouri. Big Bird, y'all do this all the time up there in Missouri?
Oh, yeah, you betcha.
All right, let's see what this...
I've seen stuff I ain't never seen before.
Come on. All right, let's check this hog out. See if you ever seen one of these. Ooh, look at this little hog, guys. Does that look good or what? Dwayne, was this hog caught right here on this place? It's a wild hog?
Actually, this hog was caught by Paul LeBlanc.
Oh, Paul LeBlanc caught this hog.
Paul LeBlanc caught this hog, and he give it to me.
Come on. Go ahead, Paul LeBlanc.
Now, the two over there was caught in Bear Creek.
Oh, we got another one over there. Let's look at it. All right, we got another one over here.
Now, this is the old Cypress box.
This is old Cypress box. And go around this way. Check out these two little pigs right there.
Both of them come from Bear Creek.
Both of them come from Bear Creek, huh?
Yep.
All right, y'all, this is right here.
Actually, Kenyon, you helped catch them. We caught them in the hog balls.
Oh, okay. That's something we caught in the hog boss?
Yep. And,
Oh, I know they're going to be good then.
Put them up and save them. Yeah. Yep.
And that's an old Cypress box. Got some sheet metal on the inside of it. Firebox built right on the top with the handles. And
this is the original Cajun microwave.
this is the original one, huh?
Yep. That's built by Mr. Kerry Gagnar himself.
Look at that, guys. Looking good. And I think they done. They look done anyway.
Yeah, I think they are too. Probably could put them out.
Hold on, let me get over this way here where I can get y'all putting it back on. And then that just sets right back on there like that, watch. Boom. And you call that, Merc, what do you call that?
What? That's old Cajun microwave right there. That's some hog at its finest.
The hog at its finest right there, huh?
That's it.
It don't get no better than
Oh,
that.
hell no. No, indeed. No, indeed. No, sir.
And Big Bird, you know, he come down from Missouri, spending the day with us. And he said he's seen stuff down here that he ain't never seen before in his life.
Ate stuff I never ate before.
And ate stuff he's never eaten before.
Tell you what, down south, we live to eat. Everywhere else just eats to live.
That's right.
I believe it. I believe it.
Oh, man. Check that out, guys. Just don't get no better.